What's good, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you the difference between overload and override. Anyways, let's get straight to the code. Alright, we're going to start off with override. So override is when one class inherits a method from another class and changes its body. So our first class is going to be bird. Bird class is going to have a method called public void flap wings. Inside the body, we're going to have this bird flaps wings. Alright, now we're going to create a subclass. It's going to have to be static for this example. So static class, cardinal, extends, bird. Then we're going to also have in our cardinal class a method called flap wings. So public void flap wings. But this time we're going to have this bird flaps red wings. Alright, so in our main method we're going to have a cardinal C equal to new cardinal, and then we're going to have C dot flap wings. Alright, so when we make a cardinal object, the body of the flap wings method changes. So our bird has this bird flaps wings, but our cardinal has this bird flaps red wings. So that's an example of override. Override only occurs in inheritance. Alright, now we're going to talk about overload. Alright, so now we're going to talk about overload. Overload is when a method has the same name but different parameters. Alright, so we're going to create a class called Vegeta, and then our Vegeta class is going to have a variable called yell. So string yell is equal to I am the prince of all Saiyans. Then our second yell method is going to print out whatever the user puts in the parameter for the variable sound. And then our third yell method is going to print out however many times the user puts in the parameter. So for int I 0, I is less than iterations. And then inside of our for loop, we're going to have yell that many times the user enters. So let's go down to our main method. We're going to have Vegeta v is equal to new Vegeta. Then we're going to have v dot yell, our first method of yell, print line to create space, v dot yell hello, and then another print line. Then after that we're going to have v dot yell 3 times. Alright, so when we run it, our first line is going to have our yell variable from the first yell method. Then our second yell method prints out hello, and then our third yell method prints out our yell variable 3 times. So that's the difference between overload and override. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.